Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily set up and use text input in Windows 11. So to find the text input setting, you can just click on the Windows button and go to settings. Click on the personalizations on the left side, and here you'll see the text input. Then here you can adjust the touch keyboard, voice typing, emoji and more emoji, and also the input method. And just click on it. Here you can see there are lots of themes that you can use for the keyboard from here, or you can also customize the theme. To change it, you can just click on a theme that you want to use, and you can see the preview up here. And if you scroll down, you can also customize the Copilot key on keyboard, the touch keyboard in here, and also the typing setting. So guys, that's how you can personalize the text input in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.